Hey guys, alright, so we're going to be talking about the title and how to properly title your item and your listing. Alright, so I'm going to show you a couple examples here. This one is called the Vintage Panasonic Cassette Audio Voice Recorder with Free Tape / Battery. So that was super long, right? And I'm going to show you another one. This was the brand new Connects NASCAR Jeff Gordon building set - makes a great gift ! Alright, so if you notice between those two items, they're both really long and they're both in capitals, all capitals, and they both start off with the state of the item. So what is the item brand new? Is it vintage? Is it only used once? Is it like new? You really want to state that in the beginning. So here are some reasons why it needs to be in all capitals. 1, there are a ton of listings on Craigslist and you need to be able to stand out. Most people will maybe do like a short title, right? A short title, and they'll do it in regular writing, and some people will just go way off the charts with symbols and signs. You don't need to do that. So the best method that I have found is to do it in all capitals and to be very descriptive in the title and to maximize the entire length of the title. Because yours is going to go a lot longer than the other people's who are a lot shorter, and it's just going to stand out more visually when people are looking. Also, a reason for having all capitals is so that you'll be able to see the emails coming into your email box. I don't know about you, but I get hundreds of emails a day. And there's so many emails, there's a lot of junk and spam emails that you don't want to make the mistake of accidentally deleting an inquiry from someone. So when I have the exclamation mark, brand new exclamation mark, and then the long title and the all capitals, I can see that right away in my inbox. And also make sure to check your spam mail, because surprisingly, a lot of the Craigslist inquiries go in the spam junk folder, so make sure to check that as well. And in that folder, there's even more than hundreds of spam emails, but I can quickly see the Craigslist emails because they're all capitals and they take up like the whole thing, the whole title box. So that's the reason why the title is so capitalized and so bold like that. Alright, so let's do the title for this one. So this one, I did vintage, and I stated before that when an item is older, like this is from the 90s, so it's 2015, so it's more than 15 years ago, I state it as vintage because cassette tapes are really old. You very rarely see them now. So I stated that as vintage, and I wrote Panasonic Cassette Audio Voice Recorder. The reason why I put audio and voice, you can call it a voice recorder or an audio recorder, I want to capture the people who type in audio recorder and voice recorder. The title doesn't necessarily need to make sense to you, like it doesn't need to sound like a sentence that flows really well. It just needs to be really descriptive, and it needs to have what it actually is and the state, so that people can already make the decision when they click on it that it's like a slam dunk and they like it. So another thing that I also stated was that they get a free tape / battery. So that was what I had explained in the previous video, that they're going to be getting a free set of AA batteries and a free cassette tape. So I put that in the title. I didn't put the RQ-L309. I didn't put that in there because that is irrelevant. That is not, people aren't going to be searching for that. And in the other example, I put the word Connects because Connects is a major brand that maybe parents are looking for K'NEX toys for their kids. So I put K'NEX, I put NASCAR because that is also a thing that people might be looking for. I put Jeff Gordon because he is a celebrity in the racing world. I put building set because parents might be typing in that building set. They might be typing that because they want to find those types of toys for their kids. And they also put makes a great gift. I put that in there because it's brand new, it's unopened, so that they can use this for a gift. I'm giving that, I'm pushing that idea. This is a great gift. Buy this, you know? So that is how you come up with a really good title. So we're going to do one for the audio recorder. And we are going to grab it here. And if you have any questions on, is this a good title, type it out and put it in the question box, email it to me, ask me, but still put it out there. Still put out your listing. Don't wait for the response back. You can always go back and edit it. So you can still put it out there and still ask me at the same time. So we will paste that in there. And you are also, in having the title in the posting title, you're also going to have it in the first line of the posting body as well. So that is the titling step. You put it in there, in the posting title, and in the posting body. Alright guys, so that is this video for how to title, and I will see you in the next video.